Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, I have been having a craving for some Dave's Wendy's chili. And as y'all know, if you know anything about Wendy's chili, I want it all the way. I want the cheese, I want the beans, I want the onions, and especially the jalapenos. But when that's done, when I satisfy a craving, then we're gonna satisfy a curiosity. Y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna all be curious when this is all said and done. We'll be right back. Family, as promised in a previous video, I want to do something dessert-wise with the Hot Logic. And I've been kicking this idea around in my head for the longest. Now, for this little idea, and it's basically just s'mores, but in a crunch form. We're gonna need some marshmallows, the small kind. I like the Townhouse morsels, the white ones, and some graham crackers. And to top it off, we got some Cool Whip. So we're simply gonna open up a pack of graham crackers. We're gonna take a few of these graham crackers. Now, if this works, I haven't tried this before. If y'all know how I am up on the channel, I like to try these ideas with y'all. We're gonna take these and we're gonna kind of loosely crumble these up in the bottom. And we wanna cover the whole pan. So that's 3, uh-oh, I lost a graham cracker. I love freaking graham crackers. This is 3.5. And that basically covers the bottom of that pan. All right, next, let's go ahead and take the marshmallows. And I guess it doesn't really matter. You can do the marshmallows next, or you can do the morsels next. If you don't like the almond or the white morsel, you can use the chocolate morsel. And that would be mostly your typical s'mores. All right, took the marshmallows, put those on top. Then we're gonna take our morsels. We're gonna drop those in the game. Just made that a little bit bigger. All right, we're gonna drop those morsels in. You know what I should have did, fam? I should have got chocolate morsels. I should have got the white morsels and chocolate morsels. That would have been a lot more colorful and it gave it a lot better presentation. But we're gonna work with what we got. Sometimes when these ideas go off in my head, they're not complete ideas, they're just shadows of ideas. And sometimes they come through a little bit ghostly, we'll say. All right, we'll take another couple of graham crackers and we're gonna, I should have already had that Hot Logic on. Y'all hold up, fam. Let me go hit the switch up front on the Hot Logic. You know, I wish I'd already had that on. It's not that I can let this go for 2, 3, 4 hours, but I'm on my lunch break and I really would like to have this as soon as I finish my chili. And that's one of the things I gotta work on is times. When I make up one of these little recipes or we do something in the Hot Logic, the problem is there's no times out there. Nobody can tell me whether to cook a piece of chicken for 3 hours or 4 hours. Nobody can tell me whether to cook this dessert for 1 hour, 2 hours, or a half hour, whatever. So that's one of the things we're gonna have to work on, fam. Let me let y'all take a look at that. Check that out. That's what we're working with, fam. I think that's gonna be delicious. If that thing heats up and melts that enough, I think we got ourselves a winner chicken dinner. Yeah. All right, fam, we'll go ahead and put the top on this, seal it up. And yes, these little containers have been abused because you know in the Jeep there's limited space, so I got these things kind of tucked away and sometimes they get bounced around and they're not as pretty as they could be. All right, fam, y'all over here. I'm gonna do a video, but if y'all watch, oh yeah, she's on. If y'all watched that video a couple of weeks ago when I did the chicken and the marinated chicken, I had a lot of spillage in this thing. So I want to do a separate video on maintaining this Hot Logic, cleaning it, and not abusing it the way I do some of my stuff. So all right, family, we got about an hour before lunch is over. We got about an hour, so we're going to go to Wendy's, get our chili, sit back. Lowe's, where my son works, is right down the road, so we're going to sit back probably under a tree at Lowe's, maybe go in and see my son since I haven't seen him in a week or so, and we're going to let this cook for about an hour. We're going to come back and check the progress. If it's not fully cooked or not fully melted, it doesn't have to cook, because this is going to be something that it melts, and hopefully we can spoon it, eat it with a spoon. So we'll see what phase of cooking it's in within an hour, and if it's not ready, we'll come back out here at 2 o'clock at my 2 o'clock break, and then we'll see what progress is made, or it may not work. All right, fam, y'all stay tuned. We'll be back after I get that delicious Wendy's chili with my jalapenos, my onion, my cheese, the whole 9 yards. I'll see y'all soon. All right, fam, we're back at work. It's been about 45 minutes since while this has been cooking or heating up. So I'm going back inside. So just for giggles, let's see what progress this has made. And if it's not satisfactory yet, which I don't think it will be, then we got about 2 hours before we come back and check it again. All right, fam, I believe we might have ourselves a winner here. Check that out. That's after about 45 minutes. You can see how that's softening up, how those marshmallows, I want those cookies to stick. I probably should have crumbled those up a little bit more, but that's okay. We're headed in the right direction, fam. All right, so we're gonna let this do its thing for another couple of hours, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna check it. And we're gonna put some Cool Whip on top of that. That's gonna be all right. Oh yeah, family. Excuse my enthusiasm, but that's gonna be all right. All right, fam. I'll see y'all in a couple of hours. Well, for y'all it'll be a couple of seconds. For me, it'll be a couple of hours. All right, say hello to my YouTube family.
Hi, YouTube family.
This is my granddaughter Brianna. And she's gonna try take that and just put a little bit and then put some Cool Whip on top. Put it on that little plate. And put a little Cool, it's sweet. And stick, I cooked that in my Hot Logic in the Jeep, which is a little portable oven.
Get out, Stella. Out. Go, go, go. She's looking for her mommy. Feel good? It's good. It's super sweet.
I know, it's super sweet. I tried it in the Jeep. That is marshmallows. Yeah, I could have crumbled up the crackers a little bit more, but there's graham crackers on the bottom. Then there's those white morsel chocolate chips, and then marshmallows, and then more graham crackers. It's basically a s'mores. But I gotta come up with another name for it. But it's super sweet though. So now you gotta run an extra mile.
I need some water. That's how people die.
All right, YouTube family. Y'all heard it from a rookie. She's never tested any of my. No, but you're a rookie when it comes to the channel, my YouTube channel.
No, you ain't have to say that.
Yep. Now, Lady Red's gonna try.
Don't put me on there.
I'm not putting you on camera, cause you know you always got like something on your head or something.
That's right.
But I got you on audio. What you think?
I'm not a big s'mores lover. I like the white chocolate better. I like the brown chocolate.
Yeah, that's what I use. But I should have mixed it up maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it's gonna work.
Mm-hmm.
So less chocolate, more cookie.
More crumbled up cookie.
Okay. All right, YouTube family. There you have it. Y'all heard it from my two ladies. More crumble. Oh, but she going back for more though. Mm-hmm. My granddaughter going back for seconds.
I have to make sure what my review is.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, that's sweet. I feel like I need this.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, Daddy. I didn't mean to get on your camera.
Nah, I'll edit you out of that. I'll blur your head. But yeah, her head's already blurry, y'all. But anyway, all right, YouTube family, there you have it. Another recipe from the Hot Logic 12-volt portable oven. My granddaughter is a police officer in an undisclosed area, just in case she ever goes undercover. So, but it's something she could carry in her police car, and it would actually cook her food, keep her food warm, and she won't have to stop at all those restaurants, even though police officers eat free. All right, YouTube family, if y'all enjoyed this brief video, y'all be sure to give your boy a thumbs up, and if not, a thumb down, and a brief reason why in the comment section, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.